We recently built our 20 by 20 feet rectangular natural grass lawn, and we also installed our sprinkler system in all four corners. Everything were excellent until in summer days we observed the yellow patches in the lawn. So we figured out that our landscaper had installed sprinkler heads a bit lower than the usual height of the grass, and this was resulting the sprinkler heads were not spreading water properly. This is really very easy to fix. We just need to raise the height of the sprinkler in such a way that at the time when sprinkler nozzle pops up, the height of the sprinkler nozzle's head should be little more than the desired height of the grass. So let's see how we can do it. First, we need to cut out the grass patch surrounding the sprinkler head and make a hole deep enough to reach to the bottom of the sprinkler where it is attached to the irrigation PVC pipe. Keep the grass patch in a place and add some water to it so that the moisture level can be maintained. Once you are done, slowly take out the sprinkler head. This is called a cut-off riser. It can be purchased from a local hardware store and should be less than $1 each. This helps to raise the height of the sprinkler head. It can be cut into desired height from the junction shown here, indicating with the green arrow. This edge goes into the irrigation line PVC pipe, and this edge goes to the irrigation sprinkler head. Make sure you are not leaving any particle into the PVC opening. It might slow down the water flow. Once the height is finalized, we need to start the water and realign the coverage area. Now, put the grass patch back to the sprinkler hole. We need to make sure that the area gets water regularly so that the grass can settle down. You are all set. After a month or two, your lawn should be back green. Please subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thank you.